Hi everybody, if you have downloaded YouTube videos for offline viewing and you want to delete those, in today's video we are providing you with a guide to show you how to do so. So let's just dive right into the video. You may start by opening up the YouTube app. You can launch the app on your mobile device and directly go to your profile in the bottom right corner and access your profile right here. Now from your profile right here, when you scroll up it, you should be finding option for downloads. You just need to click on that option in order to view out your download here, and you should be finding a folder with your downloads available here. Now you just need to look out and locate the video that you want to remove. Once you find the video, you just need to tap on the three dot or more option next to the video and select the option of delete from downloads directly. Tap on it and that will delete the video from downloads. This is one of the method available. Apart from that, what you can do is you can basically look out for the downloads folder directly, usually or within your home page. Also sometimes you can find it up and delete it, follow the same process, and you can just go over and do so. Or look out for your settings in the top, and within your settings directly scroll down, find the option for download and tap on it. And within here, if there is any video available, you can tap on this option called delete all downloads to download the whole videos available in your folder. So you can just go and tap on it and confirm your choice in the pop-up, and that will delete the YouTube videos downloaded for offline viewing on your mobile application. And that's it. So this is it, everybody. You may follow this method for that, which should be pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.